who it is. Emily Richards.
It's so nice to see you.
Thanks for being here in our new canteen where we can actually do stuff. Okay.
Yes.
Turkey or Thanksgiving for you, where does it rank on some of the holidays?
Oh, number one.
Is it number one?
Well, okay, Christmas. And they're kind of level.
Okay.
Christmas and Thanksgiving
but
are
we're
two of
eating
my favorites.
similar things,
we
right?
are,
Yeah,
definitely.
Turkey is always on board, and you brought this delicious turkey right there.
I did, because I mean it's a traditional time of year. A lot of people like to do traditional things. So having that whole roast turkey, whether it's on the table, you're going to carve it in front of everybody, or carve it and then serve it.
There's something about who gets the drumstick, all that type of stuff, and then the turkey leftovers, all
That's
that.
right.
But we're working on another option.
We are. It's a turkey breast. It's a boneless turkey breast, and what's fabulous about it is it's smaller. So if you're having a smaller gathering, you can make a couple of them and change the stuffing. We're working on a nice, fun, flavorful stuffing that happens to be gluten-free, but you could do a bread stuffing in this as well. And all I have here is a vegetable mixture of broccoli, red pepper, garlic, and ginger. So I'm bringing in some Asian flavors here, and then I'm going to add my cooked wild rice. So this adds a really nice, already cooked, and everything just needs to be cooked a little bit.
It can be any type of rice that you would want to throw
Anything of rice. You know what, if you have leftovers, great place to use it. And some water chestnuts, and then I'm also going to add an egg white. This just kind of helps keep everything together. So you want to chill everything before you add it. Add the egg white, and then just for flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of soy and rice vinegar, and that's it. So you can take this element, you can make this ahead of time if you wanted to, and if you notice, it's kind of loose. But you don't have to worry, because when you cook anything in that turkey breast, it compacts, right? It's a protein that cooks down, and it's going to keep everything in there.
So this is just a breast that you've slammed out?
Yep, I butterflied it, and just with a meat pounder, pound it out.
If you don't have a meat pounder, what else you can use?
A small pot.
Right. A small pot?
You can use a wine bottle, but...
Okay, sometimes even the rolling pin?
Rolling pin will work too. Okay. And you just want to have it kind of even all over. Okay. So I'm going to put this stuffing in here.
So you just throw it right on top?
Right on top. And basically what you want to do is spread it all over. Okay. And it's okay if some of it comes out, and I've actually left some in the pan because I like to stuff the ends a little bit.
Okay, like this broccoli here, so is that fully cooked, or you don't want it fully cooked?
No, it's cooked for about 3 minutes, so it's basically blanched, if you will.
Because it is going to cook in there with the rest of it.
But if you have frozen broccoli or a mixed vegetable, you could use that in here too.
And then how do I do this? So I'm starting to roll this?
Yep. And you're going to get that really nice spiral effect in the turkey breast. Now, you have the option to leave the skin on or off. I like leaving it on because it just has that nice little crispness in the oven. Oh my God, Tim, you did this perfectly. This is amazing. And pre-cut your string, okay? And you just kind of want to slide that under
there.
Yeah.
So I usually,
tie it up. And it's usually about 4 or 5 pieces you'll need, because remember, everything's going to cook together. And you're going to season the outside just a little bit for flavor. Turkey is fabulous because it absorbs all the flavor you give it. So even though we've added just a little bit of flavor with the ginger and the garlic inside, the flavor we put on the outside will intensify as well.
What are you putting on the, so what do you got for it? For the that right there?
No, that's actually the traditional one. I'm going to sneak around you on this side. And what I did was mix up a little bit of soy, rice vinegar, and I'm adding a kick. Can I get you to put that in there for me? Awesome.
Okay, that goes in there.
And then a little bit of Asian chili paste.
Oh, nice.
So just a nice little kick, and then you pour that over top. And the bonus of this, because it's about 2 pounds, it's only going to take about an hour and a half in the oven.
That's what it so it takes an hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
So if you're having 15 people over, is it a pound a person?
It's generally? A pound a person, and you want to roast your turkey to get this beautiful golden color at 325. Okay. And a 10-pound turkey takes about 3 to 3.5 hours. But what's most important, and I always bring it with me, especially this time of year.
Meat thermometer.
Meat thermometer. Okay. It's so important. If you're not stuffing your turkey, 170 is what you're looking for. You can take it out at 165, tent it.
Stuff or not stuff?
Let it rest.
Do you stuff?
Okay. I don't stuff it because everybody likes crunchy stuffing at my house. How about your house?
Yeah. No, we don't stuff. No stuffing because it's a little bit soggier.
Exactly. But what you can do, and what I did with this turkey, is just put some vegetables in there. Onions, garlic, a little bit of carrots.
Where's this recipe?
OntarioTurkey.ca.
OntarioTurkey.ca.
And if you're wondering about anything turkey, Ontario Turkey's got you covered.
Good seeing you.
Nice to see you
Happy
too.
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Over to you, Brian.